What's up, guys? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Google's Notebook LM. So you want to head over to google.com and click the apps on the upper right. Scroll down towards the bottom, guys, and you will find Notebook LM. You can click on it, right? So once you access Notebook LM, you may be taken over to this page here, or you might get a pop-up depending on wherever you are. You can easily access it from here, right? Or if you want to know the URL, it's basically notebooklm.google.com, right? Now, from here, you can create your notebooks. And I would just want to say this is fully powered by AI, so you'll really have a lot of fun with this tool. And so you can quickly create a notebook by clicking on create. You'll have this pop up right here where you can create audios and video overviews from websites. It's also easy to use with YouTube or your notes or files, whatever it is. And I'm telling you, it's absolute fun. So if you want to learn more about how to use Notebook LM, guys, hit that subscribe button because I'll be creating multiple tutorial, a dedicated playlist showing you how to use this amazing tool by Google here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you can access Google Notebook LM, and see you guys in the next video.